Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. Today I'm going to discuss chapter 5, which is IT infrastructure and emerging technologies. In subtopic 5.2, what are the components of IT infrastructure? My name is Azanu Azmira binti Mazlan. My ID number is I18203222. Okay, we go to the next slide, which is IT infrastructure. There are 7 infrastructure. First is computer hardware platforms, operating system platforms. Then the third one is enterprise software applications. The fourth one is data management and storage. Next is networking telecommunication platforms, and then internet platforms. The last one is consulting and system integration services. After this, we go through one by one about the infrastructure. Okay, so we go to the next slide. We continue about the infrastructure. We go through one by one, and first is computer hardware platforms. There are client machines, for example, desktop, PCs, laptops. And then mobile computing, such as smartphones, tablets. And then about the servers, there are blade servers, which is ultra-thin computers stored in racks. And then next is mainframes, which is mainframes have IBM mainframe equivalent to thousands of blade servers. Okay, next we go to the operating system platforms. There are operating systems and enterprise software application. Okay, example for operating system is server level, which is they have 65% run Unix or Linux and 35% run Windows. For enterprise software application, there are enterprise application providers such as SAP and Oracle. Next one is middleware providers, there are IBM and Oracle. For the next one is data management and storage. Okay, data management and storage. There are 3 points here, which is database software, physical data storage, and SANs. SANs it stands for storage area networks. Okay, so the example of database software is IBM, Oracle, Microsoft Server, Sybase, and MySQL. And then for physical data storage, they have MEC Corp, which is large scale systems, Seagate, Western Digital. And the last one is SANs, is connect multiple storage device on dedicated network. Okay, so we go through networking and telecommunication platforms. There also have 3 points there. For the first one is telecommunication services, which is cable, telephone, company charges for voice lines and internet access. Next one is network operating system, for example, Windows Server, Linux, and Unix. And then the last one is network hardware providers. There are Cisco, Alcatel-Lucent, Juniper Networks. Okay, so we go to the next slide. The number 5 of infrastructure, which is internet platforms. Okay, for example, hardware, software, management services to support company websites, which is including web hosting services. Next is intranets and extranets. Okay, then for consulting and system integration services, which mean even large firms do not have resources for full range of support for new, complex infrastructure. The software integration, which is ensuring new infrastructure works with legacy systems. Legacy systems is older TPS created for mainframes that will be too costly to replace or redesign. Okay, and the last one is the mobile digital platform. Okay, for example, smartphones such as iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry. The data transmission, web surfing, email, and IM. The next one, the next example is netbooks, such as small, lightweight notebooks optimized for wireless communication and core tasks. Then tablets like iPad and network e-readers like Kindly and Nook, and the wearable devices such as smartwatches and smart glasses. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.